Hello, good morning. My name is Luis David. I am 23 years old. I am from the beautiful city of Cali. I really like running. It's my favorite sport. I am a tall, thin, and dark young man. And I am living with my mother. Her name is Maria. She is 45 years old. She is housewife. She likes his novels a lot. The last weekend, I traveled to Medellin. Uh, I really like this city. It's beautiful. It's calm. It's peaceful. I went to dance. I went to dance and out to an athletic competition. I really like getting to know this city. I was there for 2 days. Uh, it was it was a great experience. Thank you.